Hey y'all, it's Julie, the nursing tutor. We got micrograms per kilogram, milliliters per hour, and IV bolus. Sounds like fun, don't it? Let's do it. Okay. A nurse is caring for a 1-month-old who weighs 3,500 grams and is prescribed a dose of cefzolin, 50 milligrams. I can't even read. 50 milligrams per kilogram by admitting IV bolus 3 times daily. How many milligrams should the nurse administer per dose? So you remember we have, we have kilograms, grams, milligrams, and micrograms. So the baby is 3,500 grams. And to go from grams to kilograms, which is what we're going to have to do to work this, we got to move the decimal date away to the left. You have to know it's 3 places. So for 3,500 grams, you know the decimal's understood to be at the end of the whole number. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, put our decimal right there. So that he would be 3.5 kilograms. I say he because I had a boy and that's all I got, and now I got grandbabies. Anyway, so that would be the weight in kilograms, and the order is 500 milligrams for 1 kilogram. 50 milligrams. Look, don't expect perfection, and with me you'll be all right. 50 milligrams per every single kilogram. We got 3.5 of them, and so we're going to have to multiply this times 50 milligrams. So get your handy dandy calculator. We're going 3.5 times 50. That's going to be 175 milligrams. And it said how many milligrams. And so we're going to tell Ethel, put your glasses on, because boom, we saved another one. Okay, you want to do another one? I know you do. Okay. A nurse is preparing to administer lidocaine 50 milligram IV bolus. Available is lidocaine 200 milligram per milliliter. How many milliliters should the nurse administer per dose? Round it to the nearest tenth if you need to. So the dose ordered over dose on hand, over the dose on hand times how it's available is what you use to do this. When I say it, I say what he wants, because that's the dose order, over what I got. I'm on the bottom because he thinks he's all that. Look, you know I'm telling the truth. Anyway, a nurse is preparing to administer that bolus, and available, what you have in your hand is always going to have that per in it. You see that per? Okay, I believe you do see it. So 50 milligrams is what he wants. What I have is 200 milligrams per 1 ml. And so let me see what I'm going to do. We're going to go this divided by that times that. You ready? 50 divided by 200 equals. And then if it was something else besides 1, we would multiply it. So that's going to be 0.25, but Ethel said round it to the nearest tenth. So that will equal 0.3 milliliters. What you going to give him? Look, boom, saved another one. Yeah, we did. Okay, so the nurse is preparing to administer metoprolol 5 milligrams IV bolus to a client with a heart rate control. Available is metoprolol injection 1 milligram per milliliter. How many milliliters is the nurse going to administer per dose? So what he wants is 5 milligrams. And what we have is 1 milligram per milliliter. Now, look, I realize it says 1 milligram, and you're thinking, well, they want 5. That's not going to be enough. But that's the concentration of the liquid that we're pulling from. Okay? So, what he wants over what we got, for it to go in this fraction, it's got to have the same last name. That's the law. And then we're doing the math. This divided by that times that. So, 5 divided by 1 equals times 1 equals, simply because we can, 5 milliliters is what you got to pull out. And yeah, sure enough is 5 milliliters because we saved them. Okay. A nurse is preparing to administer digoxin, 0.25 milligrams PO daily. The amount available is digoxin 0.125 milligram tablets. How many tablets will you give him? So what he wants, Mr. Man, is for him to get 0.25 milligrams. And what I have in my hand is 0.125 milligram tablets. How's it come? Tablets. And then here we're going. That divided by that times that. Look, be careful with your decimals. Put them in there. Divided by equals. And then times 1, it would still be 2 tablets. What we got to give Mr. Maine. Look. Boom. I'm going to make t-shirts. Just say boom. Saved another one. Okay, so a nurse is preparing to administer amoxicillin, 350 milligrams PO. Available is amoxicillin, 250 milligrams per 5 mLs. How many mLs will you go and administer? So it's the dose ordered over the dose on hand. What they want is 350 milligrams. What I have in my hand is 250 milligrams per 5 mLs. You see how I put the last name on everything? That's so there'll be no question in Ethel's mind that I know what I'm talking about. If she wants you to show your work, tell her put her glasses on and take a gander. Okay, sorry. Oh, so this divided by that times this. 350 divided by 250 equals times 5. That's going to be 7 mLs that we're going to get and give them. Yes, indeed. Sure enough is. Thank y'all for watching. I hope it helped you. Please like, comment, share. Subscribe to my YouTube. It's at the Nursing Tutor 621. Just go and subscribe so that if the talk world gets entirely too ticky, you know that you could still be able to find me. And we can still have fun together, okay? All right. Y'all have a good evening. Bye.